Hello, welcome to Ryanstoyreview. Us opening my short bag today.
I don't care. I love it.
Ready to have a look in there?
Yes.
Alright, let's check it out. Alright, what's the first thing you're going to grab? Alright, what's this? Ooh, 3D pin art. Oh, that's cool. Not too bad. That looks pretty fun.
Yeah, that's very fun.
Oh, what is this? Build a straw. Create your own design. Oh, cool. That looks pretty cool. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, I think it's upside down. Oh, those sticky hands. These are pretty cool.
Sticky hands.
Do you like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like them too. They're pretty fun. Alright, looking good. Alright,
Yes.
what you gonna get at next?
Race it, die.
Alright. That's a pretty cool show bag.
Yeah.
Okay. What do we got here? Alright, what are these? What are we gonna get next? Alright, what do we got here? Oh, alright. Activity set. Let's get some stickers, some crayons, or coloring pencils. That looks pretty cool. What do you reckon?
Good.
Yeah? Alright. What do we got next? Oh, whoa, what is this?
Moss.
Oh, masks. Face masks. What are some of the characters again?
Tomboy and Gus.
And Gus. Is it Gus? Yeah. Alright, cool, man. Alright. Let's go have another look. What else? There's still more. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, knock jokes.
Not Joe.
Knock. You have to say who's there.
No.
Cool. Alright. Oh, whoa. What do we got here? Wow, what is this? Oh, let's go look at that.
Oh.
Yeah. That is pretty cool. Alright, what's this? Ooh, watch me slither. Twisty magic worm. Alright, what is this? Oh, wooden tower. Alright, what is this? Ooh, goo. DIY goo. Ryan.
The bag is empty.
And then we got a cool bag too. Look, you got a cool bag. Alright, Tay. So with the Ryan Toy Review show bag at the Innisfell show, do you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up?
Yeah.
I'm still rich, boy.
Thank you for watching my toy review.